Hello and welcome to another IndySoft Tip Tuesday. My name is Evan, and today I want to talk to you about the ability to incomplete events. In version 13.0.16, we have introduced the ability to incomplete a multi-equipment event. So for those of you that may not be familiar, if you want to modify an event that has been completed, you would open it, right? And you can't modify it. This has been locked in because it's complete. If you go up here in your history grid to mark event as incomplete, yes, and that's just a notification that anything on the work order will also be incompleted. Now when I open it, I can go in and modify things, right? That's all well and good, but the new version will allow you to incomplete a multi-equipment event. So let's say, for example, I'm just going to open it to show you there were 3 pieces of equipment in this shipping event. I want to modify this to correct something that was on my packing list, for instance. If I select this event, go to the same incomplete option, we see the new option for mark all equipment for multi-equip event as incomplete. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. This would allow me to increment through those pieces of equipment on the event and decide whether I wanted to individually incomplete them. I'm going to go ahead and say yes to all. So now all 3 of those have been incompleted. And when I launch back into this, it's going to pull all 3 of them in there. So they're all 3 here, but they've automatically been set to a ganged event. And the reason for that is if I had individually incompleted one of those between the time it was done and now, that could potentially have new information. And if I didn't gang it, that new information in that individual one would be lost. So we've got them all individually here, selected here as a ganged event. I can go between those tabs. Maybe I need to change the department on one of them. Then I could individually finish it as usual, or I've got the option here to auto finish gang tabs. So from there I could also then deselect, select all, or deselect all. I'm going to go ahead and complete all of them. We'll get a status bar along the bottom here as it completes them. And now we get the revised version of that document, if you will, that's been regenerated after that event with all 3 of those assets now in their updated state. Thanks for joining. I hope you've had a great day, and we'll see you next time.